Chesapeake Bay. At 49 Shelter Cove Circle, a hidden gem, a waterfront paradise that right in. Luxury flows where the river meets the sea, in a home where dreams become reality. With landmark group and compass by your side, your personal oasis opens wide. Gourmet kitchen with an island grand, a chef's delight where creations stand. 5 bedrooms whisper comfort's tune, first floor swoop beneath the moon. Dive into a pool where stars reflect, firepit glowing, moments to collect. With landmark group at compass by your side, your personal oasis opens wide. Tech-savvy living with peace of mind, 13 cameras keep watchful eyes. The lovers dream on the Intracoastal Way, private lift to sail away. Summer kitchen fires up the night, tap a toast under soft porch light. Pudding green and golf inside, endless fun you can't hide. Luxury flows where the river meets the sea, in a home where dreams become reality. With landmark group at compass by your side, your personal oasis opens wide.